So this is the bag. Oh my goodness. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jacky. I upload videos related with handbags, lifestyle, and travel videos. So if you are into this type of contents, I hope you will consider subscribing. And as you can see, we are doing an unboxing video. This one is from Kate Spade. I don't have this color of bag in my collection, so I thought this one is perfect. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So let's go ahead and open this box. I always worry about unboxing because I don't know if you guys can see the address, and that's kind of scary. Maybe I should flip it on the bottom so that way you guys can accidentally see my home address. This is I purchased this online, so I never really saw it in store or tried it on in person. My first impression with the bag, hopefully I like it just as much as I've seen it online. Oh, they actually package it nicely. The light, there you go. See, they really package it nice. I like that. And let's see. Oh, this is actually a double unboxing. I totally forgot what I bought. Like, I'm seriously thinking that this one is just the bag, but I guess I bought this is crazy. Online shopping is crazy. Tell me if I'm not right that online shopping it's scary, because it's easy to just add stuff on your cart and you don't even know what's coming. Is it just me? Comment down below if you're like me. So I actually bought this card case, and guess what? I might have ordered something similar because I'm looking for a card case that will go with my YSL bag, the black one, Kate medium. So I'm looking for a black one, so I guess I don't need to buy because I bought this one. And this is the Kate Spade card holder with 3 slots. Actually, total of 6 because 3 on both sides. And that's very pretty. Although this one is in gold, my Kate Spade medium is on, is it gold? It's hard to tell with the light. I think it's gold. But it's okay. I like it. And the price is really good. So this one is $69. It's $69, and I'm pretty sure I paid way less than that. So they have Coach card case like this, but it's brown, and I would like something that kind of match my YSL bag. So this is perfect. It's crazy that I totally forgot. I actually I got that in addition to the bag. So this is the bag. Oh my goodness. You know what? I bought something else from Michael Kors, and I think my mind got messed up because I bought them kind of close when I check out. So I kind of forgot which one. This one is the Michael Kors, the style, and the other one, the smaller one, that is coming this Friday. I thought that one is the tote bag, but I guess it's the opposite. So again, this is the best first impression unboxing. I love how Kate Spade packaged this one. Oh, for all that, I don't know if I mentioned yet, I bought this one with their surprise Kate Spade sale, or the website. They had an amazing deal, so it's just hard not to buy something. if you visit to that website, because everything is 50 to 70% off. It is their older handbags. It is brand new. It is it's not knockoff or anything. So this is the bag. It's so pretty. It's actually a blush. Let's see. It's like a warm beige, but it looks like, let me change the lighting real quick. There you go. Can you see it better now? I think that's the true color. So it's a beige. I don't have this tote. I thought this one would be perfect for school, and yeah, usually that's what I use tote bag for, either carry on or road trip or for school. So I thought this one is perfect, but let me adjust more the light. This is the bag, and it has that, I think they changed their logo, because as far as I know, they always have that different logo here, the Kate Spade, but now it's just literally a spade. So they have a pocket in the back. Let me just take this all the wrap, that way I can show you better. And again, I will share in the description the link, so you guys, if you are interested buying this bag. It was just a deal. Every day, I think on that website, they always have like bag of the day or only today, and it's only $69 or $79 for 300 originals. So it is a really good buy, and I love the inside of this bag. Check that out. That's what sold me. I love pink. I think my favorite color since then is pink. Smooth leather here, so it's wipeable, and it has a zipper pocket, and that's the only zipper pocket here. With that, I think it's just a Spade. It's no longer said Kate Spade, but it's just the Spade in there, the logo. It's so beautiful. I thought this one is perfect for now, like spring and summer. It has a zipper. I love the zipper. It's big. It's not just the tiny zipper, and it closed and shut like a butter. Look, can you hear that? That's a really good zip right there. And you have that space here. I guess you can put that right there. But that is a really good bag. And also it has a pocket in the back, which is, let's just see, this is my cell phone. I'm filming with my phone right now, but this is what usually the case for my phone, so it can fit. Let me see, can you see it? Sorry, I'm not a pro in terms of filming unboxing, so yeah, it can fit. And I believe I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max, so it is quite big pocket right here. Even if I have the pop socket, it's a leather, so I don't know if you want it to stretch, but it can fit, and it looks just like that. Show you an example what fits, that way you guys can see. And let me stand up so I will try it on. And I am 5'2". I usually wear size 10 between large, so that's my size, and that's a perfect drop for the strap right here. It's very comfy, so I'll probably use this one for school because it's perfect. I'm taking summer class right now, and I think this is perfect. share with you right now what it can fit or hold. That way you guys have an idea, or what I usually carry for school. Normally, this is what I always carry for school. I carry this favorite just because it's easy to just grab it inside the tote, and instead of carry the whole entire tote and go to the store, get grocery real quick before heading home. But this is what I usually do. But since this is a bit smaller than the usual, so I will get my wallet. That's my 𝐶𝐕 wallet right now, and my car key, and maybe this one I need. So that's the stuff that I usually have, and maybe lip balm, because normally that's what I can not live without, and maybe this so this is what usually what else I carry. So let's see if I can fit all of this on my typical school book bag. So I have forgot to show you, this one is the biology for, I'm taking biology 1, so we're mostly doing a lab work. And then this one is for my theater, taking notes, because we mostly watch videos the entire class. So that's that, and that fits perfectly. Actually shut the zipper, but also I like to bring a water. So, and then this is my wallet and my car key, this one here. And I always have to bring this because this is a mix with school's pencil, sticky notes, marker, pen, all the stuff that I need for just in case in the class. So I like to bring that, and that fits right there. It might be getting tight, but that fits right there. I can also, there you go. This is my first time seeing this bag, and I'm impressed so far. And again, I need to have my portable charger. Hopefully it's not gonna be heavy. I hope not. And then you have the wet ones, the wipes, and then you have the Listerine strips, and then a lip balm. So I'm gonna put that one where there's a zipper inside. I always carry this Samsung tablet just because after the lab of biology we have to take the quiz right after, so I always have this one. Sometimes a laptop, usually it's better because it's smaller. And again, the phone, you can never leave the house without the phone, so again it's perfect there. Another thing that I love to have with me while I'm in campus is a snacks. So I just put, you see there, I like to put the snacks. There you go. Oh, this is impressive how much it can fit. And so far, this is what we're working on. That's what it looks like. Oh, I'm liking it. So in campus, we're not required to have masks anymore. We social distance in class, in the classroom, but we don't wear, you don't see people wear masks anymore. But sometimes I like to bring and leave it on my purse, because I be prepared when I go to a store and then maybe they require masks, or I don't want to be that one person not wearing masks in campus if the whole entire class is wearing masks, or some people walking around campus wearing masks. So I like to be prepared. In short, I like to have the mask and sunglasses. Since my class is early to midday, so sunglasses is a must. So I will just put it on top of the pencil case. And this is what it can pack. I'm impressed. I am really impressed. And let's see, I can still shut it. There you go. Ooh, this is impressive. I love it. I am excited. Ooh, I like this. And so, oh, it is comfy on your shoulder. I like that. It hits right perfect. It's perfect. I love this. Now I'm excited to go back to school next week. Well, actually after 4th of July. Because we don't have classes after 4th of July. So that is really nice. That's so comfy. I am loving this. Too big to fit in there. But I have the Felici. Maybe I can put my wallet and my car key, because I don't like taking the whole entire tote to go to the store. One is very comfy, y'all. I highly recommend it. I think for the price, you can probably buy 3 or 4. You're not gonna regret it. It's such a beautiful bag, and I'm glad that I got it. There's something about using a tote when you just just put your outfit together. You could be wearing a pair of leggings and a t-shirt, but it makes you feel like you're put together and dressy to go to school or going for a road trip. And yeah, I just love having a tote bag. Let me know if you are enjoying this video, and let me know what you think. If you made it this far, I hope you will consider subscribing if you haven't yet. And please click that bell button so you will be the first one to get notified every time I will upload a video. And might as well, you are here, please give this video a thumbs up, and that would help me a lot. I will truly appreciate it, and you can share it with your friends if you want. I will appreciate that as well. Follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram account, and I'll see you on my next one, guys. Bye.